Really? Actually, I was going to say yes, more to say no in a minute.
Okay, I'm going to start now. Oh, it's going to be weird when pizza gets in here and then everyone just rabble. But it's fine.
Ignores what you're saying.
Yes, please. Anyway, I'll start now. So I've advertised this as a seminar on the case for a £40,000 fee for immigration. I say seminar because it's not the normal lecture structure where I'm just going to be talking to you and there's a bit of discussion at the end. What I'm trying to do is refine an idea that I've come across, but refine that not through research, which would be would take a lot more effort, but through hearing about the views or hearing opposition or hearing about the logical inconsistencies of that theory. So when I've been talking to Colopy about this and other random people, I just dropped this idea in their minds. Oh.
Really sorry to disturb you, Kingsley. Kindness, I need to see you, please. Can you bring your back
So this is evaluating the case for a £40,000 immigration fee. Now, if you hear this, immigration right now you don't really have to pay. Although when I was talking to a South African, he tells me the boy in year 12, he was telling me how he had to pay to get here, but I don't think he really understands what went on, how he got here. But right now, immigration is free. To impose that every immigrant that comes to the country pays £40,000, that is seen as a radical idea. And Diane Call, who works in the Migration Advisory Committee, has called this idea unacceptable. So this is an idea that I personally think it's an idea worth exploring, and I think it's an idea worth analysing until I'm proven otherwise. So today could be the day I'm proven otherwise. If you find a huge hole, you say, okay, that idea could not work at all. So, as I said, I'm presenting what some see as a radical idea, but the idea of a radical idea, to me, if you look at the history of ideas, that's a radical idea. The idea of Keynesian stimulus being effective, that was once radical. The idea of rational expectations, that was once radical. To label an idea radical, to me, does not really affect the logic of that idea. So before I go on, I just want to sort of visual aids. I just thought about doing this yesterday, so I just randomly batched this together. So the situation in the UK at the moment, November 2011, net migration was at 252,000, which is the highest rate in about 15 months. Immigration is a politically dividing issue, and not just politically dividing. It's a hot topic. So immigration policy is important to governments and is important especially to UK governments, and it is because governments feel they have to respond to public anxiety over figures like 252,000. They have to respond to the public's anxiety over what we see as, well, what do you guys feel about immigration at the moment? Before I keep going on, what do you guys feel like the current immigration policy, the numbers we have at the moment? You just don't care? Or? No, pizza. Just put it. Pause it. Pause it, yeah. Pause it.